this video, we're going to carve the edges of the swallowtail to make it a more slender shape. We'll mainly be using the whittling knife, but there is a little bit of work with the chisel as well. The techniques we're going to use are pretty much identical to when we carve the edges of the wings, so I'm going to keep talking to a minimum. As before, I've broken down the whittling into steps, so once you complete a step, you can skip ahead to the next one. To begin, we'll be carving the top side edge of the swallowtail. For step 1, we'll carve towards the first tail tip, as shown. Return to using the whittling hold. Use your index finger as an anchor and brace the back of the blade with your thumb. For step 2, we'll carve towards the second tail tip, as shown here. For step 3, carve towards the tail base. For step 4, repeat this on the opposite side. Remember, you can always brace the piece against your body for extra stability. For step 5, carve the top edges. Step 6. Blend out the peaks and ridges. We're now going to carve the underside edges. We don't need to remove as much wood on the underside, so the steps are a lot shorter. For step 7, carve towards the first tail tip. For step 8, carve towards the second tail tip. For step 9, carve towards the tail base. Repeat this on the opposite side. For step 10, we're going to carve away the label on the central area. Brace the piece with your spare hand and use your gouge in the thumb hold. For the final step, curve off the edges of the central ridge. Hold the piece with your spare hand and take your gouge in the pencil hold, holding it halfway down the shaft of the blade. This is what you're aiming for after roughing out the tail piece. Remember, there's more footage in video 13 for reference. In the next video, we'll rough out the goldfinch tail. If you're not carving the goldfinch, you can skip ahead to video 17 and we'll start looking at detail.